Okay.
You're supposed to stand in front of it.
Referee?
No. I mean...
How else do you mean in front of it? Why do you make up rules?
Why are you making this confusing?
It's Tom versus Dale, not Anne Patrick.
Can you throw in the thing?
Well, this is the problem. I don't think so. Oh, this is a different grade. I think we got this, Patrick.
You got this one?
I think we got this.
Oh.
We'll just film him in the back. Film like that.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Hang on, because I can see here.
That was going in! Did it go in though?
Yeah, we didn't go in, did it?
What do you think, guys?
Have you told him?
What do you think?
What?
What do you think?
Of what? I think occasionally. What do you think? What's the message?
Oh god, what's the message?
What's the message? I like it, we don't have stuff like this in the UK. So you can turn up and see the Batmobile, custom rods, chopper, Zed's chopper, Zed's dead, gassers.